Recruiting tech has always had a problem. The most powerful tools are often locked behind enterprise contracts that cost thousands of dollars a year. For solo recruiters or small agencies, that's out of reach. But in 2025, the game has changed. You can now access AI-powered recruiting tools for under $100 a month. Tools that help with sourcing, outreach, research, and even pipeline management. So in this video, I'll share the 5 best AI tools for recruitment under $100. I'll explain what they do, what they cost, and real examples of how recruiters are using them to close more placements without breaking the bank. The HR tech market is booming, worth over $36 billion, but most of that spend is going to giant platforms like Workday or SuccessFactors, etc. Meanwhile, adoption of lightweight AI tools among smaller teams has more than doubled in the last 2 years. Why? Because they're affordable, easy to use, and deliver immediate time savings. For less than what most recruiters spend on coffee each week, you can now get tools that cut hours of work out of your schedule. The first tool we want to talk about is WriteSonic Recruiter Copy AI. For just $19 a month, recruiters can get a writing assistant that specializes in generating job descriptions, outreach messages, and LinkedIn posts tailored to candidate personas. Imagine you're filling a senior product manager role. Instead of starting from scratch, you input the job basics into WriteSonic. Within seconds, it creates a professional job ad that you can tweak for tone and culture fit. Recruiters also use it to draft personalized outreach emails that sound natural and engaging. Agencies using WriteSonic report saving 2 to 3 hours a week just on copywriting tasks, and they often see higher response rates because their messages feel more polished. For under $20, it's one of the cheapest ways to improve your candidate communication. Now, writing is important, but the bigger question is where to actually find the candidate. That's where Juniper AI comes in. Juniper AI is a sourcing tool built for independent recruiters and small agencies. At $99 a month, it scans open profiles across multiple platforms, enriches them with additional data, and ranks candidates based on job fit. Take the example of a healthcare recruiter. Instead of manually searching LinkedIn for hours, they use Juniper AI to pull a ranked list of licensed nurses with availability and skill tags. That recruiter fills their shortlist in an afternoon instead of 3 days. Juniper's value lies in the quality of the sourcing. It surfaces candidates outside of LinkedIn's main feed, which gives smaller recruiters an edge against competitors fishing in the same pond. Real quick, if you ever thought about starting your own recruitment agency or you're a recruiter struggling to land clients, you'll want to check out our coaching and implementation program. Inside, I give you the exact scripts, the outreach templates, and acquisition systems I used to hit over $500,000 my first year, scale to over $100,000 months, and do over $5 million in placements on my own desk. Our students are already hitting $30,000, $50,000, even $80,000 per month or more, many of them doing it part-time. So if you want to learn the same playbook, the link's below. It's exactly what I use. Now back to the video. So once you've got candidates, the next challenge is engaging them. And that's where Snub.io comes in. Snub.io is best known as a sales outreach platform, but in 2025, recruiters are using it heavily to run candidate outreach campaigns. The starter plan costs $39 a month and includes AI writing assistance, email verification, and automated sequences. Here's how it works in practice. A recruiter pulls together a list of potential candidates for a marketing role. Instead of worrying whether the emails are valid, they run them through Snub.io's verifier. Then they launch an outreach campaign, and the AI generates personalized subject lines and email copy for each candidate. Follow-ups are sent automatically until someone replies. Recruiters using Snub.io, they report higher response rates and less wasted time chasing bounced emails. And because the AI helps personalize copy, outreach doesn't feel robotic or spammy. For well under $100, it's like having an outreach assistant running in the background. Now, engagement is crucial, but recruiters also need fast, reliable research to win clients and prep candidates. That's where Perplexity AI Pro comes in. Perplexity AI is a search engine powered by large language models, and the Pro version costs $20 a month. What makes it different is that it always cites its sources. Picture this. You're pitching a new client in biotech. You need salary benchmarks, competitor hiring data, and market trends. Instead of digging through dozens of sites manually, you ask Perplexity and it delivers a concise report with sources linked from government data, job boards, and industry studies. Recruiters use Perplexity not only to impress clients, but also to prep candidates with real-time insights before interviews. Because it cites sources, you can trust what you share. So for the price of a couple coffees, it gives you research support that used to require a full-time analyst. And once candidates start flowing in, the final step is organizing the pipeline without enterprise software. That's where Recruity Lite with AI steps in. Recruity has been popular for years as a lightweight ATS, but in 2025, even their Lite plan comes with AI add-on. At $79 a month, recruiters get AI-written job descriptions, candidate rankings, and suggested interview questions. Take the example of a solo recruiter juggling 3 open roles. Instead of manually scanning every resumes, Recruity automatically ranks applicants, suggests tailored interview questions, and helps rewrite job postings to improve applicant flow. This means less admin, more consistent candidate experiences, and a professional process that's affordable. For recruiters moving away from spreadsheets, Recruity Lite is an accessible entry point into ATS software with AI baked in. So those are the top 5 best AI tools for recruitment under $100 per month. Brightsonic Recruiter Copy AI to sharpen your messaging, Juniper AI to source better candidates, Snub.io to run smarter outreach campaigns, Perplexity AI Pro for instant research, and Recruity Lite with AI for managing pipelines. The key takeaway is simple. You don't need enterprise level budgets to leverage AI in your recruiting workflow. For less than $100, you can compete with larger firms, work faster, and deliver a better candidate experience. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, drop a comment what tool you tried first, and subscribe for more insights on how AI is reshaping recruiting in 2025. Thank you so much again, and we'll see you on the next one.